Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery on a GMC Canyon. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set. Gather your necessary tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Remember to wear appropriate safety gear, such as gloves and eye protection, to prevent any potential injuries during the process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Start by locating the negative terminal, which is typically marked with a minus sign and often has a black cable. Use your wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the negative cable and move it away from the battery. After that, proceed to the positive terminal, usually marked with a plus sign and a red cable. Disconnect this cable in the same manner, ensuring it doesn't touch any metal surfaces. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Before placing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps with your wire brush. This ensures a good connection. Carefully set the new battery into the tray, making sure it's stable. Now, connect the positive cable first, tightening it securely. Then, connect the negative cable, ensuring both connections are snug and free from corrosion. You're almost done. Before closing the hood, double-check all your connections to make sure they are tight and secure. Give the battery a gentle wiggle to confirm it's firmly in place. Now, start your GMC Canyon to ensure the new battery is functioning correctly and your vehicle powers on without issues. If everything looks good, you've successfully changed your battery. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.